Okay, here's the second part of the video that I was supposed to record earlier. Now it's 2:43 on Friday afternoon on my time here, and what that means is I want to get this stupid thing out of the center of the screen. Thank you. God. All right, it's been one of those days. All right, had a student come in, didn't see the big sign that said "Do not disturb." Oh, but I got a phone call earlier. I think that was the deal. Anyway, so, oh yeah, I was talking about it. I was giving the excuse of why I've gotten, I told my doctor, yeah, I'm going for too big to fail. But anyway, so I spent, when I got out of the Marines in like I said, I spent 10 years in the city teaching math at some good school. I mean, it was a lot of fun, and I really enjoyed it. And then when I was working on my PhD, I kind of stumbled. I was doing the interdisciplinary PhD, so I was taking these graduate level math and physics courses. And the physics department kind of wanted a real teacher to teach these types of courses. It's like I'm a real teacher, and so that's where I wound up. But when I was at the high school, I noticed that we were torturing a lot of children, having them do algebra twice a frickin' day, twice a day. I'd hate to do algebra twice a day. That's cruel. All right, but anyway, because they got to learn algebra. Why? I want you all to think real hard. I want you all to think really, really hard. How many of you, besides in this course, see, I got to go to that meeting here in 15 minutes. How many of you in this course have used algebra this month? Besides doing work in this course or in a stat course or something like that. Just in your everyday life. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All right. Some of you might be accountants and things like that, which is all good. But for the most of us are not that. Or physics professors, or something where, and even then you're using software that does that mundane crap for you. You got to understand how it works and all that. But so anyway, I know how these essays are going to go. So what I want you to do is write an essay about your experience in school in mathematics. Just 3 paragraphs. Some people kind of go on. Because it's really cathartic for them. They're finally getting to tell somebody that might be a math science-y person, about their horrible experiences. And that's probably what I'm going to see. I'm going to see those of you that are more inclined towards the social sciences and the arts, even though that's stereotyping horribly. That's saying, oh, my theater majors are going to be all over this. When there's a lot of theater majors that are very good in mathematics, and they're very good in physics, and they're very good in things like sound and stuff like that. And I can't believe this is happening to me. I can't believe this. I cannot believe this. All right, so anyway. Gosh! All right, sorry about that. About to blow a gasket. But anyway, enjoy this thing. But I know how they're going to go. I know how these essays are going to go for the most part. Those of you that are my finance, accounting, I got some pre-pharmacy students out there. I've got former Physics 210, Physics 220 students out there. They're going to go, hey, algebra's never been a problem for me. Math class has never been a problem. You might have ran into a little bump here or there if you took calculus in high school or something like that, or in your calculus class, or in a statistics class where you couldn't understand a word that the professor said or something like that. That's all. But as far as your algebra skills go and getting through junior high and stuff like that, no problem. And you probably have an idea that, anybody can do this. They're just whining babies. That's what and that's kind of what we get. Oh, I can't turn it off. I don't know how to turn it off. All right, sorry. And I don't want to redo this because I've got to go. All right. So I will talk to you. So anyway, enjoy this thing. Sorry about all my frustrations here with the software. I just want to throw this frickin' phone. It's Friday afternoon. Does 2 show pass? See? This what you just saw was what some of you went through when you were taking your math classes. All right, everybody did great up till like I'm going to see almost 95% of you had a great time in math up until about 4th or 5th grade. Sometimes it starts around 3rd grade when they started doing those time multiplication tests, which was the stupidest thing you could possibly do. You know, just give the kids and give them time to get their multiplication tables done. If they can do it, they can do it. You know, they bring up their paper and say, I did these. Thank you. You did a good job too. And tell them it's not a race. But no. Anyway, so take care. Have a safe weekend. And, well, a lot of you aren't going to see this for a while. So out here.